But hopefully on camera, you can't tell that much. I guess we'll find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. Ooh, it's been a little while since I've been on camera, but here I am. I wanted to start the new year, of course, with a brand new YouTube video. So what do you all think about this hair? I am loving this long, big, curly hair. So today's video is going to be on this hair. It is a wig. It's a V-part wig from Nadula, the hair company Nadula. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I install this wig and just give you a little bit more details about the quality of the hair, what I think about the hair. I mean, I'm loving the style. Again, it is a V-part wig, not a U-part wig. So with the V-part wig, you don't have to leave nearly as much leave out as you would for a U-part wig, and I'll show you what that looks like when I install it, but you really don't have to have a whole bunch of leave out, which makes it look very, very natural. As you can see, this is a very natural look. I mean, it looks like the hair is coming right out of my scalp, which is what we want. But of course, before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out, and make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, so let's just get into it. Let me show you how I install this V-part wig. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like much now, but this is kind of the foundation that I'm working with that's gonna be under the wig. I mean, I can show you if I take my wig cap off, so it literally looks like this. It's not pretty, but at least it's back, it's protected. And because this hair is very big and curly, it doesn't have to be completely flat. That's what I like about wigs like these and U-part wigs and all the things, because your hair doesn't have to be completely flat because it's so big. And then I have a very, very small leave out portion here that I've just kind of braided over. So my hair texture in the front of my head is very loose, and that's because of just doing sew-ins where I have a leave out and I'm curling it or flat ironing it. It's made my pattern very loose. So I will also show you how I slightly manipulate the curl pattern to get it to all blend in together. But let's talk about the hair. So I saw an Instagram ad for this company and for this hair come across my feed while I was scrolling through Instagram one day. So it looked really, really good on the model. At first, I didn't really understand the difference between a U-part and a V-part, but once you put the wig on and see how little leave out you need and the actual shape of the wig, then I understand it and see that there is a difference between the two. But it's Nadula. This is not sponsored. They did not send me this wig free. I paid full price for it. Well, I paid for it on the website. There may have been like a little Christmas discount or something that they were promoting, but I did buy this with my own money. I'll link all the details to this hair in the description box. So this is the hair. It is 22 inches curly hair. Again, you can see this is very much a looser pattern. That way it'll blend very well with the front part of my hair. But this is the V-part wig. I can kind of show you. This is the V-part. So as you can see, there's clip-ins here. There's 2 clip-ins on each side. Once I put it on, you can see it a little better, but I just wanted to kind of show you up close. So this is where my leave out from my hair will be. This is the inside. So it has 2 clips here, a clip in the back. I don't know why wigs put this clip here, like I never use that, but whatever. And then it has 2 clips on the sides, one there, 1 clip here on the side. And then it does have a clip in the back right here, and then this strap to adjust it. This wig I feel is a little big because it is kind of like saggy in the back. But again, the hair is so big and so curly, you don't even notice it. So once I put it on and kind of style it, you will definitely see. But I just wanted to show you the wig. Let's talk about the hair quality of this wig. So Is it the best hair quality wig that I've ever gotten? No. It is human hair. It is pretty, like it's very pretty. It's a nice curl pattern, but it's not the best hair that I've gotten. If I had to score it on a scale of 1 to 10, it would probably be like a 7, just because it does get very frizzy and it's just not the best hair that I've had before from other companies. So just being honest, that's my real review. So before I actually put the wig on my head, like I said, I do have to manipulate this leave out because it is so straight. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. So this is the leave out that I'm working with. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray it with some water and some leave-in conditioner from this spray bottle here. Now I'm just using some mousse. You can use whatever mousse you want, but this is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. So that's the mousse that I'm using. So I'm just gonna take some. I already put some on, so that's why I'm not using a lot, but I just wanted to show you. And then what I'm doing is taking like a very skinny perm rod, and I'm going to curl this little piece of hair like this. There you go. Like so. And that's just gonna give me a little bit of a curl in the front so that I can blend it in with the rest of my hair. All right, so now that I have these perm rods in, it's actually just the amount of time it takes me to install the wig is the perfect amount of time that I need to leave these perm rods in, because it'll give me the right amount of curl that I'll need to blend it in with the rest of the wig. Okay, so now you should be able to see me install it a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on. So you're just gonna put the first clamp in as close to the part as you can. Clamp it down, and then you're gonna do the second clamp, also as close to the part as you can, and then clamp it down. Same way, hopefully you can see, but clamping that in. So now you can see that it's clamped in here. See, it's a very nice curl pattern. Very cute. So just gonna make sure the strap is good and the clip in the back is good, which I think they are. Nice and secure. And see, again, it's so fluffy that you don't even have to worry about the foundation underneath, right? So now I'm going to take the perm rods out, and you can see that, again, I really didn't even have to leave them in long just to get a little bit of curl pattern going so that I can cover the wefts. See that? Just need a, see that curl? Just need a little bit of curl to cover. And then what we're gonna do is just kind of separate it over the wefts, kind of hide it. like so. And then sometimes what I like to do with these little pieces is just kind of like blend it in with the rest of the hair, right? So if I'm gonna take like a piece of the actual wig and just kind of like loop it in with it, so that way it kind of just blends with the hair a little more. See how easily that blends? Now the color might be a little off, that's a whole nother story, but that's okay. It is what it is. But like you have to really get up close to notice that the color is off, because my real hair is slightly darker than the hair from the wig. So now I'm just gonna use a little edge control to kind of just smooth down the edges and the top a little bit. So this is just a edge booster, stronghold water-based pomade coconut banana scent. And this is just from my local beauty supply store. I take a little bit and just kind of put it on my edges. See how I smooth that down so it doesn't look so frizzy in the front with my real hair, my edges. And then what I even like to do is take a little bit of edge control and kind of rub it in my hands and even put that over the top like this so it doesn't look so frizzy at the top, and it just kind of blends all together. All right, y'all, that's it. I hope that seemed pretty simple enough to be able to do this V-part wig with a little bit of leave out. As you can see, it blends pretty well. And because I recently just got my hair dyed, my hair is a little darker than the wig, but hopefully on camera you can't tell that much. I guess we'll find out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hair. Do you want to see more videos like this where I'm doing more wigs, U-part wigs, V-part wigs? I really love this style. Again, I wish the hair had a little bit more quality to it, but the style in itself and the curls are very pretty. So hopefully this wig will last me a good little while where I can keep using it and just washing it. Of course, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.